Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best solar panel 20W is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for anyone looking to harness the power of the sun for their off-grid adventures, emergency preparedness, or even just to reduce their carbon footprint, offering a compact yet potent solution for charging devices and powering small appliances wherever you go. Number 5. BLAVOR 10,000 mAh Solar Power Bank. For over a decade, BLAVOR has been a leader in solar power banks, earning the trust of millions worldwide. We are committed to using only the highest grade materials to ensure our products are both reliable and safe for your everyday needs. Experience lightning-fast charging with our upgraded USB-C port, delivering 20W of power to get your devices back up and running in no time. It intelligently supports charging up to 3 devices simultaneously, ensuring you're never left powerless. Inside, it houses a premium lithium-cobalt battery, offering 50% more charge cycles than standard batteries. Despite its robust capacity, it remains the smallest and lightest portable charger of its kind on the market. Crafted with flame-retardant materials and a waterproof silicone layer, it's built to withstand the elements. The soft touch coating provides a comfortable grip and an exquisite feel. This power bank is designed for any adventure, featuring IPX5 water, dust, and shock resistance. With dual flashlights and a compass carabiner, it's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts. What we like. This power bank offers robust charging capabilities with its 10,000 mAh capacity and 20W fast charging. It also features convenient wireless charging, making it a versatile option. If you're looking for a reliable power source that can charge multiple devices quickly, including wirelessly, this is a great choice for your daily commute or travel. What people say. The solar panel is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly, even in low-light conditions. The panel is durable and weather-resistant, suitable for outdoor use. Number 4. BLAVOR 10,000 mAh Solar Power Bank. For over a decade, BLAVOR has been a leader in solar power banks, earning the trust of millions worldwide. We are committed to using only the highest grade materials to ensure the most reliable and safe products for your adventures. Experience cutting-edge technology with our latest upgrade, featuring 20W fast charging via USB-C. It can charge your iPhone to 65% in just 30 minutes without any damage. Plus, you can charge 3 devices simultaneously, offering multiple input and output options to keep you powered up. We use a safer lithium-cobalt battery, providing 50% more charging cycles than standardly polymer batteries. This is the smallest and lightest real-rated 10,000 mAh portable charger available, capable of fully charging your iPhone multiple times or your iPad once on a single charge. Crafted with flame-retardant ABS and PC materials, its outer case is built to last. A waterproof silicone layer protects the internal components, while the rubber skin-feel oil coating ensures a comfortable touch and an exquisite appearance. This portable solar charger is designed to withstand any adventure, boasting IPX5 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof capabilities. It features dual super bright flashlights and a compass carabiner for added safety, making it the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts. What we like. This power bank boasts a 10,000 mAh capacity and 20W fast charging, ensuring your devices are powered up in no time. The addition of wireless charging adds an extra layer of convenience. If you need a portable charger that can handle multiple devices and offers the flexibility of wireless power, this is an excellent companion for your busy lifestyle. What people say. The solar panel is lightweight and easy to install. It charges devices quickly even in low-light conditions. The panel is durable and weather-resistant. Number 3. ECO-worthy 10W Solar Car Battery Charger Maintainer. Introducing the ECO-worthy 10W Solar Battery Charger. This device is perfect for maintaining your vehicle's battery when it's not in use, eliminating the need for frequent disconnections or periodic starts. You can easily monitor its charging status with the convenient indicator light. Our 10W monocrystalline solar panel utilizes trickle charging to keep your battery healthy without the risk of overcharging. It also features a built-in blocking diode to prevent reverse charging at night, ensuring continuous and safe operation even on cloudy days. This upgraded solar trickle charger boasts enhanced PCB technology with added reverse and overcharge protections. It allows for normal open circuit voltage testing, making it a safer and more efficient way to charge your car battery. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect it to your vehicle's cigarette lighter port or directly to the battery terminals using the included SAE cable and alligator clips. You'll be up and running in under 3 minutes. This charger is ideal for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, boats, RVs, ATVs, motorcycles, and more. Keep all your batteries powered up and ready to go. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Your feedback helps us improve our products. What we like. This solar charger is designed to maintain your vehicle's battery, especially during periods of inactivity. Its waterproof construction ensures durability for outdoor use. If you own a car, boat, or RV and want to ensure your battery stays charged without constant monitoring, this trickle charger is a practical and hassle-free solution. What people say. The solar panel is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. It comes with a built-in kickstand that allows for optimal sun exposure. The panel is weather-resistant and can withstand various environmental conditions. Number 2. ECO-worthy 25W12V off-grid solar battery charger kit. This solar kit is designed to charge and maintain various 12V rechargeable batteries. It's perfect for keeping the batteries in your trailer, boat, RV, or even your car topped up, ensuring you always have power when you need it. Featuring high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, this panel offers a long lifespan with minimal degradation. Its waterproof and rust-proof design, with a strong aluminum frame, ensures it can withstand harsh weather conditions. The included charge controller not only protects your battery from overcharging and discharging but also features a USB port to charge your small devices. It provides clear status indicators for charging and discharging. With adjustable mounting brackets, you can easily angle the panel to capture the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. Installation is straightforward with pre-drilled holes and a convenient SAE connector cable. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started: a 25W solar panel, a 10A charge controller, and all necessary cables with alligator clips and O-ring terminals for easy connection. Generate up to 100 Wh of electricity under full sunlight, with an intelligent maintenance mode to prevent overcharging. It's an eco-friendly way to ensure your batteries are always ready for use. What we like. This kit includes a 25W solar panel and a 10A charge controller, ideal for keeping 12V batteries topped up. Its durable, waterproof design means it can withstand harsh weather. If you're looking for a comprehensive solar charging solution for your RV, boat, or off-grid applications that is built to last, this kit provides reliable power generation. What people say. The solar panel is lightweight and easy to install. It charges devices quickly even in cloudy conditions. The panel is durable and weather-resistant. Number 1. ECO-worthy 25W solar panel. Introducing the ECO-worthy 25W solar panel, a powerful and versatile solution for your off-grid power needs. This panel is designed to efficiently charge your 12V batteries, making it ideal for a variety of applications. With its 25W monocrystalline solar cell, it can generate up to 100 Wh of power per day under optimal sunlight. This makes it perfect for maintaining or charging 12V batteries in your RV, car, boat, or for backup power systems. Measuring 16.5 by 12.6 by 0.7 inches, this solar panel is compact and easy to carry. The included 39.3-inch extension cable provides ample length for connecting to your charge controller or 12V load, offering great flexibility. Built to last, it features a waterproof junction box and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. This robust construction ensures it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including high winds and snow loads, for decades. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-drilled holes on the back of the panel. You can quickly mount and secure it, getting your off-grid power solution up and running in no time. What we like. This 25W solar panel offers a portable solution with a daily output of 100 Wh, perfect for charging 12V batteries. Its compact size makes it easy to transport. If you need a lightweight and efficient solar panel for charging batteries in your RV, boat, or for other off-grid power needs, this panel is a convenient and effective choice. What people say. The solar panel is lightweight and easy to install. It charges devices quickly even in low light conditions. The panel is durable and weather resistant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.